Show you how to make a group reservation on the guest point system. First of all, you've selected date at the top, or select the date here, October, November, etc. Pick a date that the guests want and then find empty spaces. So to start off, we need to firstly push the shift button just here and keep your finger on that whilst selecting how many rooms on the screen. So bear with me while I just adjust the camera and I will show you how. So firstly, I'm keeping my finger on the shift button whilst just clicking the different room types here. As you can see, 1 is selected, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the guests want 5 rooms for the 20th of November. This next screen will come up, and as you can see at the top there, just here, it states switch to group reservation. Click on there, and then you can follow the procedures and the steps which is on here. I'll just adjust the camera once more. So as you're going through, you've got the date selected there, number of nights, how many rooms, etc. Put the group name in, then a company name, and then if you have a guest name or the booker's name, type it in here, first and last name. Scroll down and all your rooms that you've selected are all situated in here. Now if there is different rates, then you would have to do each one with the rate that you've already agreed, but make sure you put the correct number of adults just in there. If all the rates are the same, if you've agreed that, then just up here under step 3 rates, you can select a rate in there, and it's £70 for instance, and then push here set rate. Now just watch this column here, 130, 130, etc. when I just push the set rate. All the rates for each room are under £70 just here. If there's any children, you select it there obviously. Once that is complete and you're happy with that, follow step 4, booking source, email or phone call, etc. or the company name, BSI, booking.com, Bartercard. Put some booking notes just in here, and then if you have one card for all the booking, you can make sure that the charges go to the group, or just the room charges to group, and if they're having meal included, then you select the room and meal charge to group. Then you could type in the credit card information in here. Obviously the password you need to enter, which you should all know by now. Once that's done, you click save button here, and it will come up with an error because I haven't put any name in there. Fill that information in. So we're just going to make a mock-up here. So blogs, just here, and then D blogs just in here. Then you can click save down the bottom, and as you can see just here, you've got 5 rooms under blogs. Now for any reason that they send you a guest names for each room, you can double click into the reservation, and right at the top here it says group check-in. Click on that and you can select each guest name in here. So again, as you can see, the 5 rooms are situated here. Go back into it, group check-in there, and put the correct names in of the guest names that you need to enter. Then click save down the bottom here, and then that's that done. If for any reason you need to cancel one reservation from the 5 rooms, you just right click and cancel whichever room that is, and cancel there. Put the reason in here and then push cancel. There you can see you've got 4 rooms now and not 5. If for any reason that the guests do cancel all of the rooms for whatever reason, you have to go into the reservation, click any one and cancel just down the bottom here. This will put the reason in there. This will then cancel the total number of rooms, and as you can see in just a second, you click cancel reservation just here and all rooms have disappeared. That is the correct procedure. Make sure that you remember which way round that goes. So just to recap, to cancel one room, you right click that room specified to cancel. If you want to cancel the whole reservation, you double click into the reservation and click cancel reservation at the bottom. That will cancel all of that group.